Welcome to WIT Library's short video on referencing. Referencing is a standardized system for acknowledging the information you use in your assignments. References help readers to locate the source of the information you have used. All sources you use in your writing must be acknowledged by providing references to them. This is done by citing them in the text of your assignment, in text citations, and referencing them at the end of your assignment, reference list. Multi-search and individual databases will help you with referencing. Look for the Cite tool. Multi-search can be accessed through the library website. Do your keyword search. On the search results page, click into the article that you want. And you'll see on the right-hand side Tools and Cite. If you're using APA, you can see APA referencing will come up. For using Harvard, scroll down for Harvard. Remember that there are different versions of Harvard referencing, so check with your lecturer which version you are to use. WIT Libraries has two subject guides. The WIT Libraries Harvard Referencing Guide, which is based on Cite Them Right, the Essential Referencing Guide 10th edition, and APA style, based on the 7th edition of the Publication Manual of the American Psychological Association. And these guides are available on the subject guide list on the WIT Libraries homepage. Click on Library Subject Guides, APA style, and you can all the tabs across the top. If you use Harvard, scroll down for the WIT Libraries Harvard Referencing Guide. Again, tabs across the top, and also the online library tutorials. There's a digital tutorial on Harvard referencing. WIT Libraries can be contacted at libinfo@wit.ie and through the library homepage library.wit.ie.